Hey there, friends, and welcome to Nadia Beez. I'm on my way to Costco. I have this little guy with me because I didn't have breakfast today. So if you need something in an emergency and you need caffeine, this cafe latte flavor by Premier Protein is really, really delicious. And it's your on-the-go coffee if you didn't have a chance to make it. But I did bring my 40-ounce electrolytes with me because it's about a 20-minute ride to Costco for me. If you're interested in this cutie patootie, oh my goodness, I have been loving this tumbler so much. She's 40 ounces. And then look at this. I bought this separately, but it was worth every penny because it's so stinking adorable. I will link these two in the description box. You know, if you're like me, I was on the hunt for the prettiest chinoiserie, the blue and white print tumblers. And this is the one that I found that was just so elegant and beautiful. Alrighty, you guys, enough of that. Let's go to Costco. It is over 100 degrees outside right now. I feel like I look like a hot mess, but that's okay, my friends. Let's go through the big stuff I got. So I did end up grabbing the Crispi Ninja. I'm very excited about this. Heard really good things about it. I like the fact that there's 3 different sizes of the containers. And you can pretty much serve right after it's done. So very cool. These Chobani yogurts are my husband's favorites. He loves these little bottles, 20 grams of protein. They're awesome on the go. And I'm sure you guys seen them. They're just so expensive when you buy them separately. Costco is the best deal, I think, for these guys. I got the Poppy water, 30 to 35 calories. So not bad, but the reason I got them is they do have prebiotics. I don't like the fact that it has 5 grams of sugar, but at 30 to 35 calories, and it has the prebiotics that are good for your gut. I figure it's not a bad choice. Anybody else likes these? Popcorners. If you know, you know. These are so good. And I love the fact that these are 120 to 140 calories. When there's a party, I like to set them out in a little basket for the kids. They can just grab and go, and not too many calories. They're not that bad, I think. Next up is Nuri. A lot of you guys have been talking about this one. 30 grams of protein. I have not tried it. They had the vanilla chocolate, and I got the coffee flavor. Not GLP-1 related, but I got 2 packs of these for my kitties. They have these on sale right now. The Friskies Pate. So all of you with the kitties, I think this is a great deal. For the meat this week, I got 2 things. First, I got the pork loin. This is for my husband and his buddies because they love shish kebabs. So my husband is going to be marinating it, and then he's going to make little shashlichki with this meat. What I'm going to be eating are these chicken thighs. My husband has a smoker grill kind of situation, and when he makes these on that grill, they are amazing. So I'll just marinate them super quick. The way I marinate them is throw them in ranch for a few hours, let them marinate in the ranch. That's it. And off it goes on the grill, and they are so super delicious. For my veggies, I got some yellow potatoes. They looked so good, and I got 10 pounds. Then I got the organic cucumbers. I absolutely love these. Some cherry tomatoes. These are so good. And I got strawberries. I usually also pick up blueberries, but I didn't feel like the ones I saw looked very good, so I passed on those. For the chips and dip, I got this organic everything bagel chips. I think my guests will love these. And instead of doing a dip, because I couldn't find a dip I really liked and it was good on protein, I just decided to put out these little guys. This is the avocado mash, and I also have the hummus that comes like this in the separate little packets. And I'm just going to put them out, and people can take whatever they want, whether they want the hummus or the avocado, and I feel like that's a better choice than some of the other things I saw. Anybody else a fan of the Kinder seasoning? I absolutely love these, and I got the garlic and herb with sea salt and lemon. They have so many flavors, whatever your heart desires, but this one is my absolute favorite. and it's 0 calories. So it's all just the good stuff in there. Since we're barbecuing this weekend, I did get a whole thing of squash. This is going to be so good. All I do is cut it in half, put some oil on it, some of that seasoning, put it all over, and on the grill it goes. Super easy, super quick, and the guests absolutely love it. And sometimes if it's just my husband and myself, I'll just grab 2 of these, cut them up, and put them in the air fryer. Anybody else a fan of this? This is the Better Than Bouillon roasted beef base, reduced sodium in this one. I love putting it in soups. I love putting it sometimes when I'm doing mashed potatoes as they're cooking, and that flavor goes in and it tastes so good. Basically, this is like a bouillon paste. It has that kind of, you know, paste texture to it. I wanted to show you what it looks like up close. As you can see, it's kind of like a paste texture. Very, very delicious, very good, and it smells amazing when you open it up. And now for all my protein focused stuff. Starting with some electrolytes, my friends. Yes, I do use the liquid IV, but when I do use it, I don't usually use the entire packet. I divide it into 2. So 1 packet is for 80 ounces of water for me. So 2 of those tumblers. So I'll just use half of it one day, half of it another, because it is a strong type of electrolytes. And I really love the raspberry lemonade and the white peach. Both of these flavors are just the reason I keep on buying them, because they're delicious. There was a lady that was giving out samples of the ring pop flavor. And I'll tell you personally, me, I did not like it. I know that a lot of people do like it, but for me, these are my favorite flavors. With that said, this is not the only electrolytes I use, so it's not like I use these every day. I use a variety of electrolytes because I feel like it's okay to try different things, different flavors, and so I'm not committed to one brand like this one. This is something new to me, at least. This is Fruitola strawberry cereal. It's high protein. So it's 16 grams of protein per bowl, 7 grams of the fiber. I thought that was really good, and I'm not going to be using it as cereal. I'm just going to put it on top of my yogurt. For 2/3 of a cup, it's 110 calories. I don't think that's bad. Next up are these mushrooms. Oh my goodness, I love these shiitake mushrooms. I have been craving crunch lately. Like, I need the crunch for some reason. And these are for 1/4 of a cup, 130 calories, protein only 2, fiber 6. Are they the best things on the planet? No, but they are delicious. They are delicious. I wish there was more protein, but they're mushrooms, my friends. They are flavored nicely. And if you're looking for that crunch, these guys got the crunch. They are delicious. I ran out of these skinny dipped little peanut butter cups. They are good, my friends. And if you need a kick of chocolate, they are not bad. One piece is 80 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber. They are so, so good. I love these guys, and I'm sure you've seen these. 3 grams of sugar per piece. They're just a great little snack. Next up are these Archer little beef sticks. These are 4 grams of protein, but they are minis. So they're great for the road. They're great if you're, I don't know, flying or whatever. You just need a little snack. 45 calories per one, 4 grams of protein, and 0 fiber. But I thought that these would be really, really good on the go. Next is this. I haven't seen this. I think this is new to Costco. So they are 2 grams of protein per bar. They have 1 gram of fiber, 90 calories for 1 bar, and they are dark chocolate caramel peanut nougat bars. You know what they are due for. Let me see how big they are. So, oh gosh, they're so tiny. They're so tiny. But they're 90 calories, and you know what? Just to give you a little look-see. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. All right, friends, let's see what they look. Oh, but it looks so good. Look at this. Look at that. They're delicious. They were tiny, so I was like, so tiny. But you know what? Here's another new thing at Costco, my friends. I haven't seen these before. They are 190 calories. We got the chocolate and chocolate chip cookie dough, 12 grams of protein on the chocolate brownie, and 10 grams of protein on the chocolate chip cookie dough. That is really good. I mean, we got the fiber, we got the protein. I hope that they are delicious. I'll let you know when I end up trying them, but they look really nice, don't they? I got a box of pure protein. These are my husband's protein bars. He loves these so much. He loves the flavor. He loves the texture. He loves the way they taste. So he loves these guys. Last but not least, my absolute favorite lately. I cannot stop with these. I have a problem, my friends. So I got the coconut and chocolate, and I got the blue raz blast and sweet peach punch. So stinking delicious. And they are 140 calories on the chocolate and the coconut. They are 17 grams of protein on both of these. When it comes to the sour one, they are 16 grams of protein and 150 calories. So these are a little better when it comes to the numbers because 10 less calories and protein is one more than in this one. Today was more of a protein restock and preparing for the party I have coming up for this weekend. And you know how it is at Costco. Every time you go, you get different things. But for me, definitely always stuck up on my Built bars. I had 2 left in my fridge. So that's just, I was in panic mode a little bit. So I'm glad I have my Built bars back. And I have a lot of other treats to try. And you know what, my friends, I'm doing my best. Yes, not the best stuff in the world when it comes to the candy that I got, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to be eating all day. That stuff's going to last me for a long time. I'm talking about this kind of stuff. I don't have this daily. If I have one a week, maybe 2 a week sometimes, maybe I have a bad week and I have one a day. It's better to have one of these than to have something from the grocery store that is full of sugar and is bad for you. Yes, I don't eat as clean as I could be eating. I'm doing my best. I'm trying to do my best like the rest of you guys. And, you know, hopefully as the time progresses with my weight loss journey, I'll do better and I'll make even better choices. But for now, I'm just trying to survive this thing and trying to lose the weight that I need to lose. All right, my friends, that's it for this Costco haul. If you would like to see more hauls like this or maybe hauls from other stores, definitely let me know in the comments below. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, give me a thumbs up if you have not done so already. I would love to have you part of my beautiful and growing weight loss supportive community. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye, my friends.